Welcome to Plato. This is our CS426 senior project in computer science, spring 2024 at UNR. We are Team Plato, made of Richard Chow, Jeremy Mamrell, Marco Marsala, and Michael Nia. Our instructors are Dave Filecipher, Devin Lee, and Sarah Davis. And our external advisor is Dr. Hassanpour at the Desert Research Institute.
Has anyone here ever had a mentor or been a mentor? Well, our application here is designed to provide opportunities for both mentors and mentees alike, where our consumer base consists of two kinds of people. First, mentees, which will seek guidance and support from mentors who can share their experiences and expertise with mentees. Our purpose is to foster growth and development in the community and foster it in the next generation. For our front end, we are using SvelteKit, which compiles JavaScript, CSS, and HTML into one streamlined system. For our middleware system, we use Python Flask for logic handling and server-side rendering, and we use Firebase, a Google backend system to store account data, profile information, and images.
Features we will be demonstrating today are creating an account and profile, chat system, report system, viewing and editing a profile, viewing events, and making connections. When viewing the home page, a user can sign up using the button in the top right. Let's create a profile. Here we have established a streamlined process to create an account and profile. A user must input a valid email and adhere to strong password rules. Informative errors are displayed if these standards are not met. Next, the user must verify their email. And if a user fails to do so, their account will not be created. Once the email has been verified, a user must provide a second form of authentication, in this case, their phone number. A reCAPTCHA verifies that the user is not a bot, and then a code is sent through SMS. Once account information is complete, a user can continue to create their profile. Particular fields include full name, occupation, major, their role as either a mentor or mentee, their location for our backend reference, and a description of themselves. Here, if an administrator of your university has created a profile for you, your information is auto-filled, creating a streamlined process. The user will proceed to indicate their availability, which will be displayed to potential connections. A user will then upload their profile picture. All images that are uploaded to our website are filtered for inappropriate content, including violence, nudity, and offensive symbols. An image deemed unprofessional will be rejected. Following this, the user uploads their resume. Using Python Flask, skills are extracted and displayed to potential connections. Awesome. In addition, a user has the ability to change their password, change their email, or if they forgot their password, can make a new password using a link sent to their email. Users will be allowed to communicate with connections they have made through the connection system. Chat messages are filtered through the use of an API to filter out unprofessional content. Users will be able to report other users for administrators to review if the message somehow gets through the API. If the mentor or mentee is no longer of use to the current user, the user will be able to disconnect with the mentor or mentee.
Over here is a demonstration of the user report system. The user can input their own name as well as the user's first and last name, along with choosing through a multitude of reasons to report the account. Now, for other reasons, it could be specified in a text box what the other reason is, and additional information will be used to provide extra info about what the report is being made. A file can also be attached to the reports page, which will then be stored on a database with the report that is made.
When a user lands on the connections page, a potential connection will be displayed. To best match users together, we have implemented a 11-stream distance-based fuzzy matching algorithm to compare similar interests. As you can see, users can view key profile information in the connections card. A user has the choice to connect or pass with potential connections. The user only has a certain amount of connects and passes per day to increase retention.
Users can view events at UNR, and right now it's populated with events from the academic calendar, but users can add events which will get sent to our database for review. But it successfully adds to the calendar, as you will see here. We will be writing the title here, the date, and the end date over here. And as you see, the event has been scheduled. With Plato, we are planning on improving the matchmaking algorithm by streamlining the approach in which connections are created or received, as well as adding more fields for businesses and education, which is a key important feature when it comes to matchmaking. Now, we also plan to improve the overall security of the website by addressing any potential concerns. And finally, we plan to work on revisions for the layout of the website, smoothen out functionality, and provide dark mode along with other potential features that can help with the overall user experience. Thank you for following the development of Plato. We are very excited to have you here.
Thank you from Team Plato, and we hope that you find your mentor or mentee with Plato.